The Army Corps of Engineers is designing a low-water dam on the Arkansas River near Sand Springs, Oklahoma, as part of the Arkansas River Corridor project. The Dam Safety Production Center began conducting anchor testing late in the summer of 2025.
This low water dam will sit in the Arkansas River, which could be subjected to significant flood flows and a lot of forces on it. And the rock isn't always the same in one location versus another. We have a general idea how this rock would behave from Keystone Dam just up the road, but to ensure that the localized geology isn't going to significantly impact our results, we want to at least do a proof verification, and that's why we have these 6 test anchors.
After drilling boreholes, installing the anchors, and cementing them with grout, evaluators allow the mix to cure and then perform the test with a hydraulic jack.
When we do the math afterwards, it tells us how much the anchor moved and ultimately the bond strength of the rock.
The Arkansas River Corridor project will promote water quality, ecosystem restoration, and recreation opportunities.
It's very important, I think, for our stakeholders, for the county, for the city of Sand Springs, for everyone along the river, because this dam is going to essentially be the thing that makes it all go.
Arcadia Dam, placed into operation in 1986, was the last Corps of Engineers dam construction project in the Tulsa District area of responsibility.
And as an engineer, I think it's a really cool thing because we don't get to build new structures anymore. 90% of the time or more, we're working on existing structures that obviously it's very important work and very cool work to make those old structures safe, but to actually build a new one it's a very unique experience. Reporting for Tulsa District Public Affairs, Brandon Parrish. Just upstream of here, we can't really see the exact location because it's